Hey, welcome back to the Precision Data Analytics channel this evening. This is part 2 of our look at our weekly look at the Vanguard LifeStrategy Income Fund. A fund is heavily weighted towards short-term income, which means heavily weighted towards the bond market. Okay, let's begin by taking a look up here at our evaluation. Of course, before we get started, a big favor to ask: click the subscribe button, click the like button, and share the video. And of course, a big shout out that 100 and maybe 20 people watched the 2 videos last night. So let's take a look first at our forecast accuracy comparison. The big winner is, again, 3 out of 4 is naive. Second place is ARIMA. So we'll take a look at naive and ARIMA. Of course, the old saying is if your more advanced models are not any better than naive, then you're probably using the wrong model. Okay, so anyway, naive forecasts. Again, these values are what's called predictive close. This means there's a 75% chance and a 95% chance the actual closing price will fall within these bounds. And so far the actual nut closes are within the 75% range in the ETA. So this is our main model here, right? Yeah. Then there's ETS. But ATS is telling the same. It's really pretty much telling. These are all pretty much telling the same story. Okay, the 95% may be a little narrower, but you can see we're still within. We're on track to finish within the 75% range for the month of October. This is a second place winner. You can see it's actually slaying a slight downward trend maybe, but still we're well within the 75% predictive close range. The adjusted model is saying decline over the next 30 days, all right, but still within the 75%. Weekly returns, more positive returns than negative returns. You would hope that with a heavily weighted bond fund you would have more positive returns than negative returns. Okay, monthly, yearly, annual log returns. Despite a bad first quarter, particularly April, both half of the year, the first 6 months of the year and from July onward, both showed a positive returns, although much better performance in the second half of the year so far. And you can see all what this is why. Look at this. Last 6 months have showed a positive return. Okay, finally, cumulative returns. Here we go. Consistent return over time. All right. Finally, profit is saying that the price is going to increase over the next 30 days. And there you have it, profit returns for the Vanguard LifeStrategy Income Fund.